Imagine a world where dust, pet hair, and grime are banished with ease. Welcome to the realm of the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. With its Pet Turbo feature, this sleek black beauty tackles stubborn pet hair with a finesse that's hard to match. A dynamic 5-height adjustment setting ensures optimal cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and everything in between. The XL Dust Cup allows for long cleaning sessions without constant emptying, and the washable filter keeps maintenance to a minimum. But the real gem? The wide 12.5-inch nozzle that covers more ground in less time. The Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Pet Turbo Black. It's more than a cleaning tool. It's a lifestyle game changer. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Stay pristine, stay happy.